Welcome to my channel. Yo, what's good, fam? If you're over 60 and still think your best years are behind you, now wake up, because the truth is, they're just getting started. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate morning routine that can literally help you live longer, move stronger, and feel sharper every single day. This ain't your grandma's stretch and sip tea routine. This is backed by real science and real results straight out of the University of Pittsburgh and Harvard Health. So buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll be walking out that door like a champ. First off, let's talk wake-up power. Set your alarm for the same time every morning, even on weekends. Consistency is key, my friends. Studies show seniors who wake early and stick to a daily rhythm have better brain function and heart health. When you open those eyes, don't grab your phone. Instead, take 3 deep breaths, slow in, slow out. Feel that oxygen flood your lungs. That's your first natural energy shot of the day. 0 caffeine, all vibes. Now, hydration time. Before you even think about coffee, hit a full glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. This combo reboots your system, fires up digestion, and keeps joints smooth like new sneakers. Follow that with light movement, I said light, not lazy. Try 10 minutes of stretching, shoulder rolls, and leg swings. If you've got stairs, walk them slowly. If not, march in place. The point is to wake those muscles up, not shock them. Next up, the secret weapon: morning sunlight. Step outside or hit your balcony for at least 10 minutes. That sunlight tells your body it's go time and cranks up vitamin D, which helps fight fatigue, boost mood, and strengthen bones. If you live somewhere cloudy, grab a light therapy lamp. Your body clock needs that spark to sync up and keep your sleep solid. All right, breakfast warriors, ditch the sugar bombs. We're talking protein-packed fuel, scrambled eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal with nuts and berries. Add a scoop of flaxseed or chia for fiber that keeps your gut happy. And here's the truth: your gut health is your second brain. Keep it strong, and your mood, memory, and energy follow. Wash it down with green tea or black coffee. Both fight inflammation and sharpen focus. Once you've eaten, spend 5 minutes on gratitude or reflection. Write down 3 things you're thankful for, even if it's small stuff like your morning walk, your grandkids' laugh, or that killer cup of coffee. Gratitude literally rewires your brain to stress less and live longer. No cap, that's proven by neuroscience. Finally, before you roll into your day, plan something that moves your soul. Maybe it's gardening, a morning walk with the squad, or blasting Motown while cleaning the kitchen. Joy isn't optional, it's medicine. That's how you keep your spirit young while your body stays strong.